Hello everyone, I'm Andrea and I'm here today from Tanzerei, Flugfisch, teaching you a tap dance combo with a Latin groove. We're going to start with a syncopated rhythm, which is not that hard. We just go 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll do it with my feet, yeah? 1, 2, 3. We start with the brush, right? 1, 2, 3. Again, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then with my left foot I go brush, flat, heel, brush, and then right, brush, shuffle, step, heel, step. Yeah? Just that last part. 2, 3, 4, go. Last time, just that last part. 1, 2, 3, 1. So let's do everything from the beginning. Yeah, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first part I'm just doing brush and then crossing back, side, side again, crossing back, and then ball change at the end. Yeah, it's not that oh. Sorry, there's another brush and then ball change. Yeah, and then we do everything with our left foot. As always, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Brush, 8. And we stay here. We don't do the last stomp, so we just stay here. Let's do it again from the beginning, right and left. Yes, I'll do 2 claves to start, counting in a very slow bar. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we stay there, yes? Again. 2 claves to start, slow bars. 1, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 8, 1. Yes? Do we have that? Can we do it a little bit faster? Let's do it. 1, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 8, 1, 8. Yes. From here we go with our right foot. Shuffle, crossing in front of you, then step heel in front of you, and then side, step, again, step heel to the side. So those heels, really push them to the ground. Step heel, step heel, step heel. Again, shuffle, step heel, step heel, step heel. Normal, shuffle, step heel, step heel. And then another shuffle, step heel, shuffle with my left foot, crossing in front of you, and then we open and transfer our weight to the right foot, and my left foot opens a little bit. Sort of like a Susie Q, but in Latin style. So we go shuffle, step, 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 shuffle, step, 2, 3, 4. see it. Yeah, from here. Before we go on, we should start again from the top, yeah? So everything, 2 bars to start. Slow bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey. Yeah. Do we have it? Yeah, we can go on a little bit. Yeah. So from here, we open and then we do brush with our left foot back, brush, step, and then we have our right foot in front and we just go clap and then brush into our thigh. I'll do it in front of you. It's just brush and then clap and then the right arm goes through my thigh and then step. Yeah, so brush, step, clap, thigh, step. We can add it from before. So we would go shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel. Open up. A, O, E. One, O, E. Shuffle, up, ta, ta, here. So let's do it from the top. 1, 2 bars to start. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8. 8. Shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, shuffle, step. So here my brush, it goes 1, 2. Yeah. And from here, I go clap, thigh, step. I just go stuff with my left foot, jump with the both feet together on the ball of my foot, and then just stuff, ball, change. So we do twice, scuff. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again. 8. 1. And then I do another step on the end, and I turn around, swivel onto my left foot. My other foot stays on the ground. Yeah, and I try that my weight is forward and that I don't put the heel on the floor while turning. My weight is a little forward. Nevertheless, I have a little bit of weight on the tip of my toe while turning. And of course, my knee is bent. So let's do that again. From the brush back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again. 1, 2, 3, 8. 1. Yes, try to always bend your knees and have your weight on the ball of your feet. One last time, just that part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Now we should do everything from the beginning again, so we can remind ourselves what was at the beginning. So, 1, 2, 2 bars to start. 2, 8. 8. Are we good? We can continue a little bit more and finish the phrase. So we're almost there. After returning 1, 2, we go flat, brush, step, and 2 heels. 1, brush, step, heel. Again, oh, here we go. 1. Last time, a 1. And then again, 1 more heel. Heel step, like the shim shim, but without the hop, just like a very small bounce, bending my knees. So we go 1, 2, from this part, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I go heel, paddle, step, heel with my left, shuffle, step, heel with my right, and then just shuffle, step, touch with my right, and then slap. I'll do that part a little bit slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and the last 2 touch and steps are syncopated again. So we'll do that a little bit faster again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just that a little bit faster with 1 clave before. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have it from even before. Let's do it from shuffle, step. Yes, from the crossing. Step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. Yes, 1 clave to begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle, 4, 4. Up. 1. Yes, and that's the end of it. So let's do everything with the right side. Let's have 4 slow bars of introduction. So we'll clap the clave 4 times and then we start. Here we go. 1, 4, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 8. 1. 1. And that's all of it. And from there, we can always do the right side. So why not? Let's do it now. Yes. So 4 claves for introduction. For the left side. 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 1. 1 without music, right and left. We try it. If not, then you can go back to the video, figure it out by yourself to the left side, which is always, always good. And then do it again with me from here. So we go, we prepare it 4 times with the clave, and then we do right and left. And why not? We should, yes, let's do with without the music first, and then with the music. So 1, 2. Hey. 3. Get there. 4. Hey. 4. Hey. 1. E. 1. 8. 1. Left. 1. Great. So now let's do it with music to end this. With music, maybe a little bit faster, if possible. Yeah. So 4 slow bars for introduction. Let's do it. 2, 3, 4. Thank you very much for dancing with me, and don't forget to look at all of the videos from this channel, especially the ones from Sebastian Werber from Musicality. Yes, they're amazing. Please take a look at them. So I hope that you are keeping dancing, that you are healthy and happy. So much love to all of you, and bis nächstes Mal. Besos.